Project management principles and clinical systems. In a complex organization, like a hospital, where many clinics and physicians have competing priorities and demands, the healthcare providers are often responsible for ensuring that tools, processes, infrastructure, and capabilities are in place to meet the demand for excellent patient care. A structured process called project management is an essential technique for clinicians and informaticians to know. Applying appropriate processes, methodologies, and tools within a hospital setting can have multidimensional benefits by reducing variability across the processes, providing standardization across projects, and increasing the overall project success rate. Critical in a healthcare environment where multiple stakeholders, departments, clinics, and providers function under a single hospital umbrella must coordinate between competing priorities, budgets, capital expenses, and large enterprises initiatives. A project consists of goals, activities, a timeline, projected risk, and mitigation plans. Each project has an appointed manager that leads the effort. There are 3 phases in a project. First is initiation, the most important activity and often yet the most rushed or undervalued. The initiation phase of a project requires a project manager to gather initial information and resource estimates so that project viability can be assessed. The second phase is planning. This is used to track future project performance. Planning is where projects are formally defined by project teams and subject matter experts who decompose project deliverables into workable tasks as part of the overall project plan. 3 is execution. This defines the success of a project. This is where the build of project deliverables, customer testing, and approval occurs. With closure, this is the release of management, project delivery, documentation of lessons learned, and formal handoffs to operational and maintenance teams occur. Benefits helps the team as a whole stay on task and avoid issues that could delay the project or overrun the budget. Projects can affect patient safety outcomes. Those with quality deliverables may include improved patient safety. Projects that are delivered on time and under budget, and those including quality measures, could impact patient satisfaction. With positive project outcomes, the project team will likely be inspired to perform more effectively on future projects. Negative project outcomes, the teams can learn from a project post-mortem or as a lesson learned exercise to not repeat the same mistakes twice. With continued successful project outcomes, an opportunity exists for more positive standing in the organization and the community with a stronger competitive edge. Superior performance is marketable. Project management can allow for more flexibility in how work is prioritized by portfolio committees. Teams are able to work efficiently and effectively. Project management techniques help organizations plan for risks. Managers can see risks in future projects before they become problematic. Techniques can result in achieving quality project outcomes more consistently. The logic behind program management is that it is less complicated, less costly, and more efficient to control similar projects together than separately. Program management ensures goals, project steps, and resource needs are all in sync together. This allows collective management of the entire suite of current and proposed projects, like all projects supporting patient care. The purpose of portfolio management is to determine an optimal resource mix for project implementation and scheduling that is most effective in achieving an organization's operational and financial goals. In healthcare, these goals include patient care, quality, and cost. This provides an avenue for measuring return on investment at the highest organizational level. The most effective leaders are collaborative in nature and include their project team in the project strategy, risk assessment, planning, and decision making. Leaders must have strong, visible, and consistent commitment to their project to positively impact the outcome. They must be able to identify and react quickly to urgent issues. The leader works with the end goal in mind to help guide them through the project management process, basing their decisions and actions on the outcomes that they want to achieve. Project managers are responsible for controlling any project changes that occur, ensuring progress is monitored continuously, and that performance is measured periodically. Project planning is a significant role of the project manager. Their key role is to bring people and processes together to keep a project moving at an optimal pace and to ensure project deliverables are completed accurately and efficiently within the deadline. The program manager guides organizational leaders and multiple projects, so their efforts need to be especially well coordinated. Like the project manager, the program manager is responsible for planning, executing, and delivering a program or a collection of related projects within the defined program scope and schedule. A portfolio manager is responsible for centralized management of portfolio processes, methods, and structures to ensure successful flow of projects within a portfolio. The portfolio manager can help committees determine which projects should be given priority in terms of resource allocation, availability, realistic completion timeline, and project overlap, because the portfolio manager should be aware of stakeholder demand and have high-level insight to the requirements and deadlines of the projects within the portfolio. The portfolio manager plays a key role in ensuring the project and the program risks are known to committees and controlled to avoid poor project selection or delays. These are low-cost options for a department or an organization that is small to medium-sized, or those working on small projects limited to a low number of users and activities. Aspects to track are the project scope determination, timeline, budget, resource assignment, and project documentation. Selling a complex project and portfolio management system and discipline to an organization can be difficult. In healthcare, IT, it would be useful for portfolio management to show links with improvements to monetary, patient care, or quality data. Once portfolio managers have a senior leader in their corner, they should be well on their way to finding the right tool for the organization. High-performing organizations use project management processes to maximize project success and organizational value.